Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to fix this issue if you're getting error code 2-ARVHA-4 zeros. So if you're getting this error on another switch while opening the YouTube, it says sorry, could not connect to YouTube. We can easily fix that. Okay, what you need to do is first, I'm giving okay. I just want to show an example. So on home screen, first I will tap this X button to close it. So I will close this. First, you need to verify whether your Nintendo Switch is connected to the internet. So mine is connected to the internet. You can check the status, go to settings. Here come to internet and you can check the connections. Test internet connections, everything is success. The first step is verified and then you need to check the date and time. Okay, go to system settings. Go to system settings. And go to system. Okay, on the bottom of this, go to system and come to date and time. Also you can select your region, okay, and go to date and time. So here, right, the date and time is wrong. See, you people might have changed this date and time to play any other games like Mario. So this date and time is not correct actually. So you need to change this manually up to today date. If you have connected to internet, right, you can enable this synchronized clock via internet. So if you have internet connections, of course, YouTube, right, need internet connections. So tapping it, so automatically it's synchronized. So if it is turned off, so if you are changing, right, this date and which is wrong means it will not work. You will be getting that error. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to synchronize clock via internet, or you can select manually today's date. Okay. This is successful. Now launch this YouTube. It should be working fine. Select the user. Wow, YouTube is opened successfully. So that's it, friends. And still, if you are not able to launch right after fixing the date and time, what you need to do is just simply go to home page and close it. Okay, close the software and delete it. Plus button, manage software and delete the software. Give OK and go to Nintendo eShop. Choose your user. Here again search this YouTube. Search YouTube. And re-download it, okay? There is a YouTube. It's already in purchase status. So I'm going to tap re-download. Okay. It's on home screen now. So I'm going to verify that. Close Nintendo eShop. On this home screen, YouTube is there. It started downloading. Yes, it's downloaded. So I'm going to launch it. Select the user. So first thing, you need to check your internet connections and then check the date and time on system settings. After you corrected the date and time and still it is not working, I mean your YouTube is not launching, just uninstall and reinstall it. So that's it, friends. This is the way you can fix the issue in Nintendo Switch for YouTube. So that's it. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedback, show me your forms. Thank you. Bye and take care.